Squeaking noise while driving but brakes not applied. While driving, if you hear a squeaking noise even when the brakes are not applied, it is likely that the noise is coming from the brakes. There are various factors, some related to the brakes and some not, that can cause your car to squeak while driving without the brakes being applied. Although these squeaks may not always indicate a serious issue, it's important to have your car inspected to ensure everything is functioning properly. Well, let's find out the common reasons for this noise. Number 1. Old brake pads. You need to replace your brake pads if they squeak while you're driving but no brakes are applied. The brake wear indicator, a metal clamp that fastens to the brake pads, usually comes with your brake pads when you buy them. These pads deteriorate over time, which forces them to grind against the rotors. Driving generates a squeaky sound as a result of this operation. Number 2. Moisture. Your vehicle may be screeching when it is moving without braking because of excess moisture. The humidity causes rust to form on your rotors, which causes your pads to squeal. You should have a professional clean or replace your rotors. Number 3. Sticks and stones. Your tires frequently gather debris such as an acorn, a small rock, a tree branch, etc. Even if no brakes are applied, this actually generates squeaking noises when driving. This is common in rural places with lots of sand, boulders, and stones on the roads. In this case, you should look for foreign objects lodged between your brake pads and rotors. If you have found this video to be interesting, just a friendly reminder to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let's continue with the video. Number 4. Brake pad material. Ceramic is now a material commonly used by many automakers to make brake pads since it works well and lasts a long time. Metal rotors, sadly, produce a lot of noise. You can use a little knife to make shallow scrapes on your ceramic platter. An immediate squeaking sound will be audible. Have your technician install semi-metallic pads if your current ceramic pads are very loud. Be aware that there can be an additional cost. Number 5. Glazed or grooved rotors. The rotors are another typical factor in vehicles making squeaky noises when driving without brakes. Your car's rotors and discs start to show glazes, grooves, or uneven abrasion when the brake pads wear out. Ask your mechanic to remove your brake rotors and inspect them for any glaze or groove after changing your brake pads. Number 6. Negligence. If there is a mechanical error, your car could scream as it travels without braking. Your car can still make that squeaky sound. For instance, if the auto repair fails to lubricate your brake pins or sprays anti-seize on your brake pads after changing your rotors. Inform your mechanic to lubricate or replace the anti-rattle brackets or pins to lessen brake pad noise. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now and I'll see you in the next video.